Alright, got some content for y'all. I got my boy out here, man. You know what I'm saying? My boy got his shit out here. Nice, man. Nice with it. That's where we at with it.
You know what's going on? Hey, what it do, man?
Hey, I'm happy to see this thing, man. I ain't seen this dog. Hey, I'm hurt with my boy. Like,
Hey, this motherfucker was locked up, dog.
Hey, money, hold on, man.
Mixed grade. Would you like a car wash? No, not today.
Wait, I ain't got that car wash. One of the best in the city, dog.
This one here?
Yes, sir. I ain't gonna capture my boy.
Chilling with my boy, you know, Big Mike Beast, man. My boy Blac Kake. You know what I'm saying? My shit got a little tattoo on it. You know what I'm saying? Inmate numbers. Inmate numbers.
My boy shit was cutting up. He had to get locked up for a minute. Man.
Hey, man. Yes, sir. He on the took the little red thing. Oh, yeah, he like,
Man, not bad. Not bad at all. I'm taking the...
yes, sir.
You was getting gas. My guy got out of the car. He looked like it.
Oh, hey, that's love. Hey, we just out here doing it, man. You know, from the 414. You know, so, hey, there it go. If y'all ain't know, 414. You know.
Hey, that's how you get content, man.
Milwaukee, man.
Hey, when I'm out here in Dolo, I can't get no content like this.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? So it's nice to pull up.
Hey, that's the shot right there, dog.
Huh?
That's the shot right there.
Hey, pull up.
Then, hey, by that Milwaukee.
Try to zoom in on it. Yeah, man, that shit nice though, dog. That shit nice, man. I ain't gonna capture my boy. You need it?
I don't know what's up, my guy. Hey, okay.
Cause I was saying, look, Rolls Royce.
Yes, sir.
Rolls Royces.
Yes, sir.
Or hey, pull up
Yes,
on
sir.
my whip here today. I'm in the, you know, people will be like, hey, show my whip on my podcast today.
Yes.
Nigga ain't even need your own whip.
Hey, that'd be cool. Low riders, all type of shit,
Sir.
man.
Yes, sir. Low riders. I'm talking Mustangs. You know, they gonna be mad about that.
Yes, sir. They heated at us.
All right, GoPro died. Got it right here, plugged in. Got my boy behind me. Let me show y'all my boy. Got my boy behind me. Out here. By connecting it in the mail somewhere, obviously. You dig? In these Challenger things. Out here in these Challenger things.
The oldest church is here. Sir.
So yeah, all stomping grounds over here, as y'all can see. South side, you know, you're on the low end of the south. You know what I'm saying? The bridges, all that road and shit. You're on the low end of the... Ooh, look at him over there, y'all.
Milwaukee's new #1 for hip hop and R&B.
Look right there.
Yes, sir.
My boy back there. You know what I'm saying? My boy back there still.
Yes, sir.
Just get y'all some shots with my boy in the back. I could have zoned. You know how you want to drive safe. You know what I'm saying? You got your man. I got my boy behind me, so I could have easily did one of those. That shit feel good, man. I see why y'all be teamed up 3, 4, 5 different, you know what I'm saying? Big boys. Alright. Yeah, I love this thing though, you know. We just a big family, man.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.